I'm going to make a video here on a couple different things. First off, I only changed Heavenly to boy at a subscriber's request. She is going to be a she, and you'll see her soon in girl clothes. And while I'm doing this, I'm also watching Talia's tribute event. It is live on YouTube. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So there's going to be many different things that will take place in this video. Okay, and there we have it. Little Miss Heavenly is back to being Little Miss Heavenly. Just put her in her PJs for the night. And she's looking super cute. Alright, here's Recall. It's time for his dinner. And this is at Natalie's request. Natalie loves Reborns to see Recall. So I'm going to giving him fishes tonight. He gets these little minnows. Let me show you how he eats his food. He's a hungry guy. And this is going to be fish number 3. He's a big eater. He'll eat about 7 of these little things. Won't you, Recall? Alright, we're done feeding Recall, and we're still watching this tribute. I think it's going to be a little while long, which I was really excited to see it live on YouTube. So this is what I'll be doing for my evening. And then I'm going to go record the kittens because Natalie's Loves Reborns actually requested to see the kittens as well. And here's the kittens. They're all sleeping. They're getting big. Their eyes are starting to open, which, let me see. That one's eyes are partly open. Let's see, that one's, it's like bright light, I don't know what to see. One of them has their eyes fully open. Oh, this one. There. Okay, look at them. All so cute, and I made them all angry.
They're getting so big.
They're huge. Huge little guys. And there's the mama. She heard her kittens. I don't know, probably hiding. She heard her kittens. She wants some food. She eats like crazy. Alright guys, well thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great evening.